In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online as a beginner. Where the heck should you start? My name is Rachel Leslie and my channel is all about making money online. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and let's get into the specific ways that you can start making money online even as a brand new beginner. Number one, which is actually my favorite, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other companies' products or services or courses, whatever it may be, and you get a link because someone clicked on your affiliate link. So your goal as the affiliate marketer is to drive traffic. Myself as an affiliate marketer, one of the ways I love to drive traffic is through making YouTube videos and then ranking the YouTube videos. But I also get traffic to different affiliate offers I promote through other social medias, Facebook, and paid ads also. I will put my free beginner affiliate marketing training in the description below. So the second way that I suggest for making money online, this might be a good fit for you, is writing. A lot of people don't like writing. I don't like writing. So maybe you like writing. You can write blog posts for other entrepreneurs, other websites. You can also do guest blogging. You can write blogs and submit them. You can start your own blog. You can do email marketing for someone else who is an affiliate marketer or who has an online business. I think there's always a market for good writers. To find a gig as a writer, I suggest going on Upwork, starting an Upwork account and making a profile that you are available to help write content for people's websites or blogs or even on their social media. And you can also pick up writing gigs by doing job posts on Fiverr or even engaging with other entrepreneurs on Facebook. There's different Facebook groups of entrepreneurs, and a lot of these entrepreneurs are looking for good writers. Third way that you can make money online is through YouTube. So you can tie affiliate marketing into this. You can sell your own programs on your YouTube, but you can also get brand deals and work directly with companies to get paid, mentioning them or promoting them on your YouTube channel, or you can also run ads on your YouTube videos. And the good thing with YouTube is you don't necessarily even have to be in the videos. You can be. You can share your passion, you can share something about your favorite niche. Maybe you like gardening, you can have a gardening channel. Or you can outsource videos. You can do research, find what title you want, maybe create a slideshow, and then have a video editor, add text on it, and add background music, and then you can rank these videos and make money with ads that play on the video or sponsorships that you have with the video, or also affiliate links for selling your own products in the description of the video. Fourth way to make money online is through consulting or coaching. So if you can help someone with something, they may pay you for that one-on-one help or that group help. Getting started in coaching, I know, seems like so beautiful, so wonderful. Like, wow, people are paying me $250 an hour to listen to them on the phone. This is amazing. But the truth is, for most coaches and consultants, you still need to put content out there that shows that you're an expert in your field. But if you do that enough, then that's when you start getting booked up. That's when people start clicking your calendar link and order form and booking one-on-one calls with you, or 10-week packages, or 3-month packages, or 1-year consulting packages. So if you do want to go the coaching/consulting route, which is also very flexible, you get to pick your hours, do know that you need to position yourself as that expert. A fifth way to make money online, which kind of ties into the coaching and consulting, is creating an online course and selling that. So with this, you're taking your expertise, recording it in videos, so you're really only teaching it once, but hundreds or thousands of people can learn from you. So a lot of people also want to create an online course, and actually the hardest part of having an online course isn't really creating the content for your course, but selling it. So what I suggest if you want to sell an online course is literally try to sell it first. Don't even make your course yet. Try to get a sale, and if you get a sale, then you can refund the person and let them know, hey, it's not ready yet. But this way you know there's a demand for your course. I've done this too many times where I thought people would be interested in something, so I created a bunch of videos on it, tried to sell it, and wasn't able to sell it. What has worked way better for me is selling different things before they are ready, and then start adding the content into my online course and just improving it and improving it. And a sixth way to make money online is be a virtual assistant or a social media manager. Virtual assistants, oftentimes people hire them in the Philippines at $3 an hour. So if you are not okay with that rate, you do need to differentiate yourself, but there's also virtual assistants making $10 an hour, $15 an hour. If you are in the US or Canada, UK, Australia, Europe, you probably want to make more than that per hour. So you need to niche down and get even more specific with your skills. So being a social media manager or being a Facebook ads specialist or Google ads specialist, those are great part-time gigs where you can pick up some clients and make extra money getting really good at a specific expertise. And you can get better at it every day. Even if you're not great at it or you're brand new to Facebook ads, you can start learning about Facebook ads, get a tester client, a trial client, get them some results, and use those results and testimonials to pick up more clients and more paying clients. The truth of the matter is there is no easy way to make money online. There is no get rich quick overnight scheme that actually works. So to make money, you need to provide value. It doesn't mean that you have to do a ton of hard work or put in so much late nights and a bunch of sweat, blood, and tears and only make $10 an hour, $15 an hour. You can be making $100 an hour for the things that you're doing, $1,000 an hour for the things that you're doing, but it is going to take time to get better. There is going to be a learning curve. It's going to take effort. The easiest way to make money, I don't know. A job where you can just like sit and answer phones. That sounds like an easy way to make money. But the thing with that is you're not going to be able to make a lot of money. You're going to have to trade the time for money. I know I talked about, $100 an hour, $50 an hour, $250 an hour. Your goal actually should be to not be getting paid hourly at all. It's better to get flat rates. It's better to set up machines that generate you passive income, but it's going to take active work to do that. I have different resources in the description below, different trainings on affiliate marketing, making money online with YouTube, making money from home. This was more of an overview video to give you a big picture of different directions that you could go. So definitely check in the description to dive deeper into this, and let me know in the comments which of these interests you, or another way to make money online that I did not include in this video. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications for more videos about making money online and passive income.